Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing another home decor DIY project using Dollar Tree products. So if this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome, and I would like to say thank you once again to all my subscribers. Thank you guys for watching. I am so appreciative of you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to push the notification bell to let you know when I upload new videos. And once again, thank you very much for watching. So let me show you guys what I'll be needing for this video. So this here is a very huge piece of mirror that I had in my home when we moved in. It was already there, and I was figuring out what should I do with this. It's so like just a plain piece of mirror, and I wanted to use it in my entrance, so I'm planning to do this as an entrance mirror, and we'll be putting it onto my entrance table, which I have to go by today. So what a coincidence that I'm doing this today. So I will also be using 4 of these garden fences, which I already cut off the ends. If you guys already seen these at the Dollar Tree, they have these end pieces that go into the soil, and it had some arrows on here which I cut off. It also had some curved pieces up here. I also cut that off. So I will be adding this onto my mirror, and I will be probably using some bling, which is like gemstones and stuff. So a bunch of knickknacks in here, which I probably will be using. You will need glue sticks or glue or E6000, whatever glue that you use. I personally just like my glue sticks, my hot glue, which is amazing. I'm not sure if I will be using these, but I got these at the Dollar Tree. They're like wooden shaped pieces. They're laser cut. They're really pretty. It comes 4 in a pack, and they have all different styles. I really like this. But yeah, and of course your glue gun. So I had these in different colors. Again, if you've seen this at the Dollar Tree, you know they come in like a gray, like a dark green, like all different colors. Not all different colors, but like these kind of colors. And I got 4 of these, and I also painted them in black. So let's just go ahead and start this video, you guys. The first thing that I did was I went ahead and cleaned my mirror. Let me see if you guys can see the edge of this mirror here. 1 second. Okay, you can probably see now. So on the edge of this mirror, I'll be going just a little bit on the edge here. Like this, with the design facing inwards. Okay, I'm just gonna do that for the other sides. And for the one on the inside of the mirror, I cut off the part that was going this way. I cut off this part here, and I'm just gonna place it like this. So you guys, here we have it. This is the pattern that I will be doing, and I do have a little edge here, which I will probably be leaving it just like this because I don't want to add too much stuff. And I will be adding some gems probably in the corner somewhere. So let's go ahead and stick this on, you guys. It looks already amazing, so I'm really proud of this. So let's just go ahead and stick it on and add some gems, and then we're done. I'm just gonna place some glue just in the corners here. Just in the main corners. Okay, so I'm gonna repeat this for all 3 sides, all the other sides, and I will be right back. I'm gonna go ahead with these gems. And I'll just place them in the corners here. you know, these corners. See, like this. I'm also trying to not have any glue strings onto the mirror because it's going to be difficult to clean in between here. So I'm going to try to keep it as minimal as possible. You guys, another thing that I found out while I was doing these on here, the glue gun, the hot glue does not stick really onto the mirror. So what I did was I had to add some of my Dollarama epoxy glue onto some of the corners, and I added a little bit of glue gun, a hot glue, sorry, to just make it stick like right away. But it doesn't stick, so if you're planning on doing this DIY, make sure you use epoxy or Gorilla Glue or whatever epoxy glue that you have. E6000, sorry. Or whatever epoxy glue that you have, because the hot glue will not hold these on. So I'm gonna finish this up and I'll show you guys the finished product. So you guys, this is the finished product. This is what it looks like. But it turned out really, really pretty, and I only added a few gemstones. And I feel like for this, less is more. It's really, really pretty. I really love it. And it's gonna look so cute at my entrance. And it looks so expensive as well, so I love it. Anyway guys, if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, well, yeah, check out my other videos. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And once again, this is the finished product, you guys. I hope you like it. And bye guys. See you in my next one.